I'm pregnant and I'm starving. I don't have any money.
Okay. So it's a lot easier than what you were initially telling me, correct?
I'm scared. I'm sorry.
All right.
They're in my bag.
A pregnant woman, no money, hungry. She makes one split-second decision inside a grocery store.
I didn't put anything in my bag.
Ma'am, they have you on video.
We can go
No.
What happens next and how this officer handles it, you won't forget this one.
Hey.
What's up?
What's up?
You got them or no?
I just want to make sure. I think I
Okay.
give us really the greatest description.
She had like red hair, like a backpack on.
Tell her female license description.
Who is she with?
Some really skinny dude. He's got like a hat on, all dressed in like all black.
Okay. Hey, he's out with him now. Was it her that took it or him or?
She put all the stuff like in her backpack, and then he grabbed like 2 things and like paid for it.
Okay.
But they were in the aisle, like stuff in her bag, but stuff.
What'd she take?
Like candy. I'm not sure what else though.
Maybe you want red? Here, just throw all this in the bag for now.
They were in here yesterday. They were in here yesterday, you know.
Good.
You want to try it
There
first?
As I can see there, 2 Dr. Pepper, I guess strawberries. He's indicating that he paid for them.
Did he pay for those?
Yeah, he paid for those. She put candy bars and stuff in her book bag.
And it was like a Twizzlers.
Yeah, the blue's the only one that's available.
You don't have videos body candies, do you?
What?
You don't have videos over top the candy aisle, do you?
No. But like I saw them in the aisle, like I didn't even get to see them in the aisle because they were like bent down. So I asked my deli associate like what they were doing, and she said they're stuffing stuff in her bag.
How y'all doing? Just so you know, you're being audio video recorded.
Okay.
Okay. 25-7 Central. That would a female match in the description. The parking lot in the budget. Where y'all coming from? Store? Okay. Well, right now, just so you guys know, I'm going to gather your info. All right. Right now, you're being detained for possibly shoplifting.
Shoplifting?
Well, listen, I just didn't show up and say it. Okay?
Oh, man.
All right. Where'd you get those items and did you pay for them?
I paid for them.
You have a receipt?
I don't know if I have.
Hang out, relax.
I am relaxed.
Hang out, relax. You have a receipt for those?
Oh my God.
Like I said.
I don't know, but I mean, they got me on
everything,
camera, like, they were paying for it.
Dave, if we forgot, let's go back and pay.
Oh, no. Relax.
No, like, I know I paid for this. Yeah.
Relax.
Sorry.
No, I don't have a receipt. So, but I paid for this.
0703. As I can see, they have 2 Dr. Pepper, I guess, strawberries. He's indicating that he paid for them.
Yeah.
Where'd you pay for them at the register or self-checkout?
At the register.
Yeah, he paid for those. She put candy bars and stuff in her book bag.
Receipt.
Please.
Nope. Where's the candy bars, ma'am?
Yeah, I don't I
Ma'am,
have my fruit
They
snacks.
have you on video putting them in.
I didn't put anything in my bag.
Ma'am, they have you on
Okay,
video.
we can go
No, we can be honest with each other and tell me the truth. Okay? Just tell me the truth. Okay? Can you please be honest with me?
I'm pregnant and I'm starving. I don't have any money.
Okay. So it's a lot easier than what you were initially telling me,
I'm
correct?
scared. I'm sorry.
all right.
They're in my bag.
I am a male, you are a female. You have things protruding out of your bra. Can you
That's my money.
I understand that. Can you do me a favor and pull that out?
Yes.
I am not going to go in.
No.
There is also something else in there?
It's a later.
Okay. Okay. Do you have anything else?
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So there is candy.
It's
Okay. Candy and fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry, I'm pregnant and I'm sorry.
I understand that. I understand that. I'm going to put this in here.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else in that bag I need to know about?
No.
That's going to stick me or hurt me?
No.
Okay. Give me your phone, your cigarettes, please. All right. Just turn around, put your hands by your back for me,
Am I
please.
going to jail?
Oh, you're getting arrested. I don't... Do you have any warrants or anything like that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Babe. Babe.
Give me... Ma'am. Relax. Okay. Look at me. I'm checking these handcuffs.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Okay.
All right. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm sorry,
It's
sir.
okay. It's okay.
I'm a high-risk pregnancy. I can't stress. I'm sorry. I'm trying. I have a high anxiety.
I understand that. Okay. This is the back of my hand. All right. I'm going to move along your waistline. Okay. I am going to stick my finger and pull your pocket out, just so
That's
you know.
fine. I don't have
Okay.
anything,
Well,
sir.
I'm a man. You're a woman. I'm letting you know what's going on. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'm not going to stick my hand in there or anything like that. All right.
I would tell you.
No. I'm letting you know. Okay. Then I'm not going to stick my hand down your pants like that. All right. The back side of my hand, and you have nothing on you, right? Okay.
No,
Just these three things?
That's what it looks like. I didn't go through the bag yet, Sarge.
We have money for the room, sir.
Ma'am, I understand.
I know, but it doesn't make it better. Usually I don't take things.
I know, but you got to understand, these stores watch everybody.
I know, I understand.
Okay? They watch everyone. All right?
I was so bad and where it was stupid.
Huh?
It was really stupid.
How far along are you?
4 months.
4 months?
I'm sorry.
I understand you're sorry, but we're here now. This is where we are. All right? This way, dear. This way. Huh? You want him to have your cigarettes?
Are you not?
What?
Well, these are hers. These are... This way.
Okay,
This
sir.
way.
Sorry.
Stop apologizing. Stop, ma'am. I got your arm. There's holes in... There's divots and potholes here. So,
Okay.
all right?
Yeah.
Before, during, and after...
I'm so
listen,
embarrassed.
It's okay. Listen, I'm just letting you know, before, during, and after every shift, I check this vehicle.
I don't...
Just let me finish my speech. I finished everyone. Okay? The back seat is clear. If you're hiding anything in you or on you and you dump it... A little warm back. It's a little warm back here.
Oh, the cash?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say she had 10 in that book bag.
And a debit card.
I can't believe that was on my mind. I was just thinking, I didn't know that we're going to pay for the room.
But your girlfriend just got locked up, and I don't mean any disrespect.
No.
All right?
That's your priority?
That's your priority?
Like, I'm trying.
Seriously, I understand you want a cigarette, but at the same time,
She's getting locked up and you're worried about
a cigarette.
I'm sorry.
Relax. I listen. You're not tracked. The window's open. Okay, you can stick your face near there.
My glasses off, they're like, can you take them off?
Yeah.
proper ID, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, I didn't get him yet. I'm handling her.
Sorry.
It's all right. Throwing him over there. Sir, you have ID on you? I gotta get No. What happened? Speak up, ma'am. I'm not ignoring you.
I know.
1465, the answer.
Once we get back to the station, I'm not gonna. What? Yeah, I'll get your soda. Yeah. Okay.
District 25 stable.
We're good.
We're good.
There's 7 Central out of headquarters, ending miles 17.0. Alright, get you out. Alright, come on out.
Sorry, I'm not,
You're what?
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to, I promise I'm not trying to pull anything. I have a condition. It's
Okay.
with pregnant women. It's when you have extremely high blood pressure, which makes me high risk. And
Okay.
I'm also 36, which it's called geriatric pregnancy.
36 years old.
Well, he has it, which also makes me high risk.
Okay.
And it's like when your blood pressure is really high and the stress triggers it.
Well, listen, we're going to take the handcuffs off of you. We'll put you in air conditioned
I
room.
think I need medical attention.
Okay, well, we'll get you medical attention. Turn around, put your body against the car. Okay, let me do what I'm going to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And we'll get you taken care of. All right.
I know
I understand.
My head's all of a sudden pounding and
well, the car's hot.
No, I know.
And we'll get.
I've been hospitalized.
Over here.
Okay. Already.
Right here.
I'm just very busy.
Okay. Right here. To the left.
I'm not trying to.
No. To the left.
I'm not trying to make your life hard. So.
No, you're not making my life hard.
Okay.
Watch yourself. Watch your body.
Sure.
All right. We're gonna good.
Okay.
Ladies first.
Okay.
All right. Hold on 1 second. Come over here to my right.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
I'm helping you down the steps.
I'm sorry. I just didn't know.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm really busy. That's all.
Yeah, that's all she has.
Okay.
Has a debit card and cash on her. Thank you all so much. No problem.
This officer could have done the bare minimum and walked away, but he didn't. She made a mistake. She owned it. But the real question is, did a hungry pregnant woman really deserve to end up in handcuffs?